Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Priyanka. I am your English teacher. So today we are going to start English lesson number 1, that is True Friends. It's a beautiful story which tells us about true friendship. So let's start. So children, I am going to read this lesson aloud and you have to repeat with me. So let's start. It's our lesson number 1, True Friends. The lion Jindan ruled the Chamba forest. He had 2 friends. One was a jackal and the other a wolf. They always followed the lion. Once they were walking together in the forest. They saw a baby camel. Jindan took pity on the camel and took him to his den. The lion took care of the baby camel. When the camel grew up, the lion made him also his friend. The young camel lived in the forest without any fear and walked with the lion. Jindan had a special affection for the camel. The jackal and the wolf did not like it, so they wanted to kill the camel, but they were afraid of the lion. So children, we have read this much. Now I am going to explain this paragraph. So listen me carefully. Then after this, I will give you some difficult words, its meaning also, and we'll write it in notebook. Okay. So let's start. The lion Jindan ruled the Chamba forest. Means there was a lion who ruled or who was the king of the Chamba forest. He had friends. He had friends. How many friends he had? He had 2 friends. Okay. So one was jackal and the other was a wolf. Okay. So can you tell me how many friends lion had? Yes, correct. He had 2 friends, jackal and the wolf. And both the friends always followed the lion. Okay. Once they were walking together in the forest. Can you tell me who were walking together in the forest? Yes, correct. They were means the lion, the jackal and the wolf. All the 3 friends were walking together in the forest. They saw a baby camel there. What did they see? Yes, they saw a baby camel. Jindan took pity on the camel. Pity means he was like very sad when he saw the camel. He was feeling sad. Why? Because he was alone. No one was there to take care of him. So what did the lion did? He took him to his den. So what is den? Den is a place or a home of a lion. Okay, where a lion lives, it's called as den. The lion took care of the baby camel. Okay, when the camel grew up, the lion made him also his friend. Now, can you tell me how many friends lion had? Yes, now lion had 3 friends. Earlier he had 2 friends. Now he had 3 friends. So all the friends' name can we recall? Yes. First was jackal, second wolf, and now he got a new friend, that was camel. The young camel lived in the forest without any fear and walked with the lion. So now the young camel grew up and he don't have any fear. Why? Because he was the friend of the lion. Okay. Jindan had a special affection for the camel. The jackal and the wolf did not like it. As you know, lion had 2 more friends and lion always looking after camel. So Jackal and the wolf are always jealous of that camel. Why this lion is taking care of camel all the time? So they are not liking it. So they wanted to kill the camel. So children, this is a new paragraph. First I am going to read it, then I will explain. One day the lion fell into a ditch. The camel helped him to come out of the ditch, but the lion got hurt very badly. After the incident, Jindan was not able to run fast and hunt animals. He began to starve. He called the jackal, wolf, and the camel and said, "I'm starving. I have not eaten anything for 3 days. Will you go and bring something for me to eat?" They went away. They wandered in the forest till evening. They couldn't catch any animal. So, as earlier we have read in the story that that wolf and the jackal was planning to kill the camel. So after that, what happened? One day, the lion was going somewhere and he fell into a ditch. Now, what is the meaning of ditch? Ditch means a pit or a hole. Like this, you can see in the picture also. He fell down in a ditch. So, what happened? The camel helped him to come out of the ditch. So, who helped the lion? His dear friend, camel. Now, after that, what happened? But the lion was got hurt badly. Okay, as he fell down in the ditch, he got hurt. Now, after that, what happened? After this incident, Jindan the lion was not able to run fast, or was not able to hunt animals. Now, what is the meaning of hunt? Hunt means killing animals for food. Like this lion is a animal which used to kill other animals to eat. Now, as he got hurt, he was not able to kill other animals. Okay, so he began to starve. Now, starve means he was suffering from hunger as he was not able to hunt. So he started starving. He was not able to get food. Okay. So what he did next? He called jackal, wolf, and the camel and said, "I'm starving." So he called all his friends and told him the problem that he is feeling hungry and he don't have food to eat. So I have not eaten anything for 3 days. So for last 3 days he had not eaten anything. So he asked his friend, he requested his friends to bring him some food to eat. Okay. So all the three friends went away. They wandered in the forest till evening. Now wandered means they were roaming different places in search of the food. They were searching food here and there in the forest till evening. But what happened? They couldn't get or they couldn't catch any animal. They did not find any animal to kill. Okay. So rest of the story we will continue in next video. Thank you so much, kids.